everybody, I just wanted to pop on here real quick and do a review on my pop-on veneers. I gave them 5 stars, and here's why. They literally look so real. Everybody asks me what happened to my teeth. This is the before. See the color difference? I'm floored. I chose the Hollywood White shade. As you can tell, they are super bright, super clean. Wow, they're awesome. I went with the Hollywood White shade. As you can see, they're bright, super clean. Wow, this is why I give them 5 stars. If you are considering ordering veneers, I highly recommend pop-on veneers. I couldn't be more pleased. It looks like I went to the dentist, but I didn't, and I saved thousands of dollars. 5 stars. Hands down, 5 stars. The entire process is super easy. You send in the impressions, they send them back. Super fast, by the way. It was like 2 days. And then they popped on like a glove. Super easy process, and they look amazing.